Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Scott Roberton, and today I'm going to take you through the 28E Ocean Alexander. We're going to start at the helm on this boat. What you have here is three 24-inch screens. This screen over here is dedicated to what they call the Octoplex system. That is the brains behind the boat. You have the ability to run your air conditionings from here. You have the ability to control all of your lighting from here. You have all different, you can run with your freshwater tanks. You can see your levels, your engines. You can, as you're running, you got your port and your starboard. You can switch between them. So anyways, that is, it's a great system. It's right here by the helm. It's easy for the captain or even the owner to sit in the chair next to him. So this helm is also designed with 3 helm chairs, all leather, high-end helm chairs, all with stitching and control of the Garmin screen. And it's just and by the way, all these chairs are electric, all 3 of them. They go up and down and go back and forth. But nice touch with the diamond stitching in here, but also with the Ocean Alexander symbol that's inside. But your dash itself is all carbon fiber. One of the nice features these boats come with is 0-speed stabilizers by Side Power, which means it'll act like a seakeeper at rest, but it also gives you stabilization when you through your speed range. You've got dual bow thruster and stern thruster, so you have the ability of with dual thrusters like that, and they're hydraulic. This boat also has dual anchors. So this will give you the ability to actually see how much anchor chain you're lowering down in the depth of water you're in. Dual VHFs, and then of course your man gauges. But overall, we've equipped this boat with about everything that a captain would need. So as we make our way back, we're in the Sky Lounge here. And this Sky Lounge just has a tremendous amount of room. We've got a 50-inch TV that drops from the ceiling over here on the starboard side. And on the port side, we've got a very large C-shaped couch. On the starboard side, we're going to have good storage, but also some refrigeration, some storage under here. And then this area over here, we can make into just about anything you want it to be. We could make it for liquor bottles. We can make it for any kind of bottles you like. And one of the nice features that we put up here was having a day head on the main level. So the boat is equipped with 2 day heads, one on the main floor and then one up here as well. When you have a entertaining area like this in the back and a hot tub like that, sometimes you as the owners or the guests would like to have a day head up here as well. So that's why we put one up here. So you got a refrigeration here with an ice maker. And then on this side, just a little bit of storage underneath the sink. But this sink here, this lifts up, got a full sink. On the 32E Ocean Alexander, we're going to go into the master stateroom, which is on deck. This is a full beam on deck master, king size bed, unbelievably comfortable chair over there, very, very nicely done. Vanity over on the port side. Your toilet seat opens as you walk up, and if you hit a button, your mirror rises. Because you leave this in the down position when you're not using it, so you have full visibility through this big window. So this will raise all the way up, and as you shut that door, you then have a full walk-in shower with a rain shower. So as we leave the master head, there's 2 closets in this room. One, big hanging closet here, which is great. Dual drawers down below. But over here on the starboard side, this walk-in closet is really nice. You have drawers. And then all hanging up top. So, in the master bedroom here, one of the nice things is how much natural light comes in. But as the sun sets, and you're ready to go to bed, maybe you want to look through this window at the stars, which you have the ability of because it kind of comes over about half the bed. But now it's time to go to sleep and you really don't want to have the sun coming in the morning. What do? Well, we go ahead and lower all the blinds. And these are blackout blinds. So on your port and starboard, they're lowering down, as well as some drapes, but then also right above the bed as well. So on the 28E, it's a 5-stateroom yacht. We're down in the lower companionway area right now. So here we have 4 staterooms, plus a gym actually, which we'll show you in a minute. But as you work your way aft, these 2 identical rooms are queen-size beds and have full walk-around, but they each have their in-suite heads and showers as well. So as you make your way to the head, you'll notice the size of that for this stateroom. We got a great closet here. We have drawers underneath here. And then these are the towels and then the robes for the room. All Ocean Alexander. Nice little desk here, or it can be a vanity. But again, one thing to focus on is how big these windows are in these rooms. A lot of natural light coming in here. As we move forward through the lower companionway, one of our guest staterooms is equipped with 2 single beds. These 2 single beds have the ability to slide together and make one larger bed. And the stateroom also have its own in-suite head, along with shower. This room, they also put in a really nice window as well, like in the 2 rear aft staterooms that we looked at, and good volume. So right across the hallway, before we go up to see the last VIP room, is we equipped a gym into this yacht. So the 28E not only has 5 staterooms, but also has the ability to have a gym in here as well. So you can put free weights in here, you can do a Peloton, but just forward of it is you're going to have an additional freezer, refrigerator, and then your washer and dryer for this section of the boat. So as we make our way forward, this is the main VIP going to the bow. This is a queen size bed, but most of the times when these are in the bow, they aren't walk around. And this is a complete walk around queen size bed in the bow. Got a really nice walk-in closet with drawers. And then of course you still have your in-suite head and shower. A lot of natural light with the windows on the port and starboard side. But for a 28-meter yacht, 5 staterooms and a gym, this boat really offers a lot of volume. So as we make our way aft, we have our dining area with 10 chairs because there's 5 staterooms on the boat. But on both sides of this dining room table, you've got electric sliding doors that you can lock to be open and get some cross breeze going through here. But the other nice thing is you can go through either one of these to access the front of the boat. As you move your way forward, you come to a galley. This is a very nice galley for a chef or for an owner that wants to cook for the family. So you got an induction burner, you've got your convection microwave, you've got your stove, refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher, everything, dual sinks, which they actually did kind of cool here in the corner like that. But a lot of table room, and then we put in a natural window here, which is let a lot of natural light in. So as you make your way aft, there's a really nice salon. We've got a 50-inch TV that drops from the ceiling. We got our L-shaped couch here, really on the port side. And then across over here, we've got another bar area with a really nice sink, and then storage, and then a refrigerator ice maker, which is inside here. All the windows in here are electric blinds as well. The aft deck of the 28E, you've got two opposing couches back here. This entire area, what's really nice is we've built in a glass piece that goes across the aft part of the seating area so that you can enjoy seeing anything that's going on down in the lower play area deck. So the Explorer series that this boat is, as you look down, you can kind of see that we have two wings on both sides, bulwarks that will completely fold down, but we also have a davit here so you can put a hard bottom inflatable, a jet ski, or whatever you like to have on here. This davit here can put that up on this deck for you. You do have stairs that take you up to your fly bridge. So in the Explorer series, one of the nice things is we have a really large deck back here, so you can do anything you want. You can do jet skis, hard bottom inflatable. We even have a hydraulic swim platform in the back that you could lower down and use for snorkeling, use for diving, use as a beach off the back. We also do have an awning that will come up and completely keep this area right here shaded from the sun. In the lower area of the 28E, this area here, one of the things that's kind of nice is they put in a live well, and it's got lights inside. I'm sure you could use this as a really large cooler as well because it's all insulated, but it's set up as a live well for now. But again, this area back here is being used for a number of different things. This will also give you access down into the cruise quarters. We're on the bow of the 28E Ocean Alexander. This area offers two great features. One of them, we have a great C-shaped seating here in the front. What's nice about this is it's set lower than most boats. Usually they're up a little bit high. This gives the owner some great privacy when they're anchored out or they're in a marina. It kind of sits down a little bit lower. But as we work our way up, if you decide you don't want to sit down there and you want to get some sun, this is a full sun pad up here. Goes all the way across. A lot of room. This area also gives you the ability to have lights that are in the back, but from here going forward, one nice thing is this whole area gets shaded. Actually, that's my bad. I should start that part over.
Yeah, start right here.
Okay. So one of the nice things about this area is, one, you've got lights, indirect lights, but we also have stainless poles that go up on both sides and they hook up to the hardtop and give this area shade. We are in the 28E cruise quarters. This is a well done, very well laid out for a 28-meter boat. You have the captain's quarters, which is in this room here. We did a real nice little dinette table here that can be chairs added on the back side. We gave them their own full washer and dryer. And then on this side, we've got a refrigerator, sink, microwave. And then in here, we did a complete tool room, snap-on, where they can put their own tools in, but it's a workbench. There's also in this room for additional crew, we have a Pullman, which goes across, and actually a bed folds out from underneath here. There is one more room with two bunks here. So you have the ability to have 3 or 4 crew in this boat. And on this side, we have the head, which a full walk-in shower. We did marble inlay around the edges, which match the marble out here in their small little galley. Come on into the engine room of the 28E. As you make your way into the engine room, this is completely air conditioned. You got twin 1650 horsepower Mans. We got twin 35 kW generators, which are bipolar. You got your Delta T fans that bring the air in and suck it out. But one of the nice features right over in this area is your Atlas system, which on an Explorer series allows you to plug into 50 hertz power or any power around the world. So this makes this boat very international. We also added walkways around both sides of the motors, as you can see right there, and that just gives you the ability to access things that usually aren't that accessible. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for taking the time to walk through the 28E Ocean Alexander with me today. My name is Scott Roberton with MarineMax Yachts. I look forward to our next time on a new yacht.